What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So hope you guys are having a wonderful day, a wonderful night, whatever you guys are watching this video. But first of all, today's video is going to be just a little bit different than what I usually do. We're going to be giving you guys some POV drives, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright. But yeah, guys, a lot of mods are coming for the Gr86. So stay tuned, guys. Tons of mods. I already ordered them. I'm not gonna say what it is because I want to keep you guys, you know, curious on what it is. But yeah, I ordered a ton of car parts for this car. They just haven't came in yet. They are taking a bit. That's how usually car parts usually takes. But it takes a minute. But you know, I'm being patient with it. But guys, it's a little mountain run. Little toge, 10-second toge right here. But yeah, guys, another question is, how long do you guys warm up your car in the morning, or just normally? For me, I usually just warm it up for like 5 minutes, and I just drive lower than 3k RPM, and just shift that 3k RPM. But I was wondering how long you guys usually warm up your car for. But let me know in the comments down below, guys. But yeah, what's cool about these newer version of cars, or newer generations, is you can see your gauges. You can see like how hot your car is and how cold it is. So you can see your oil temp. So you don't have to buy a little gauge for it. I don't know, people probably think I look really retarded with this head mount on. Little pops and burbles. So that's one thing I kind of like about this car is with exhaust, your car will automatically pops and burbles if you are on stick or driving with a manual. But if you're automatic, I don't think it really pops unless you get it tuned. But that's why driving stick is one of the best, because you can do stuff like that, you know. That was nice, that was nice. A little Miata right there. But guys, right now I'm gonna go meet up with my friend Darius, and then we're gonna go to the meeting spot where we're gonna take photos and stuff. That's where everyone's gonna meet at. But the rest of my friends, they all live in Fontana in California, so they're kind of far away from where I live. So only Darius, the local friend I really have that are into cars. So been playing too much Assetto Corsa. Makes me want to cut up. Turn on the AC. It's getting really hot. God, especially I'm gutted, you guys. You can hear a lot more of the pops and bangs, and you can hear more of the exhaust. But one thing why I decided to gut my car too is because literally with the Gr86, you literally can't fit anyone in the back. So there's no point really having a rear seat. So might as well just do like a rear seat delete. And especially at school, man, everyone be asking me for rides home, asking me me to take them back home. Like obviously, you know, I'm a nice person. I can only take one person home. I can't take more than one home, you know, because I got stuff to do too. But yeah, oh my God, sounds crazy. I definitely do get a lot of stares in this car because how kind of obnoxious it is sometimes. Yeah, a lot of my neighbors hates me because every time I downshift, it just pops. Yeah, I feel really embarrassed right now, especially I don't have any tint on my car. Just driving around with this big ass iPhone on my head. Definitely feel like I'm getting a lot of stares right now. Gotta always let the motorcycle pass, but I didn't know what this bus was doing. He was trying to merge in here or something. Almost money shifted right there. Sounds so good, guys. I wonder how it's gonna sound with the unequal headers on my car. I know that pops are gonna be way louder because I am going catless for my unequal headers. But yeah, guys, gotta stay hydrated. It is a bumpy ride, guys, because of my aftermarket suspensions or coilovers. I'm currently on BC Racing. Oh, I already see my friend Darius, but let me see if I can even go. Need to make a left turn. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's his little Integi right there. Love my friend D Jones. Can never go wrong hanging out with him. Oh God, where'd I go? Do I go this way? Yeah.
That's one mod you need.
10, huh? Well, I got my camera in my car, but recording on my iPhone for now because, but the iPhone quality is low-key better than my camera.
Huh?
I said the iPhone quality is low-key better than my camera quality.
Yeah.
Oh, can I get a hot chicken?
Dude, those are old.
You don't want that. All right, are we gonna go right now?
Yeah.
All right, let's skedaddle. All right, you guys, we are back on the camera, but let me know how the POV drives were on the iPhone. But we just got here. We're still waiting on Jay's friend. Oh, it's nice in here, yo.
And the wind, you get all the wind over there.
Yo, where is this place? Wait, what happens? Let's go on the top of the building, yeah?
In a bit.
In a bit? It's hot, huh? First time ever been here. Wait, what parking lot is this?
It's one in San Bernardino.
What is it, San Bernardino?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought this was
It used to
Colton.
be the parking lot for an old model. They tore it down right there.
Oh, they tore it down? Oh, so, wait, so this is abandoned, right?
Yeah, this
Basically.
is kind of abandoned.
Oh, damn. Guys, I just got some crazy clips over here. Looks absolutely beautiful. Go follow my TikTok to check it out, please, guys.
Bring that juicy ass up here.
Oh, shit, damn. But yeah, there's got a sick ass view from up there to down here, dude. It was so beautiful, but dude, hold on. Oh, I got it!
Got the airdrop? I'm
Bro, literally airdropped it. Oh my god, I got it.
Drop my phone and airdrop my phone. Literally.
Oh damn, let's focus up. Hope you guys enjoyed that little, you know, POV drive. I don't know how long it was. I think it was a little quick POV drive, but